So I'm making this video hoping that it helps someone that's looking to see why their ATEM Mini is flickering when you come through the C output. So I tried it and it kept flickering, but I finally got it. I went on YouTube to try to see what other people were saying who were having the same issue. And a lot of people were saying different things. So this is one thing that I found that worked. I actually got the C to USB wire off of my Samsung T7. Yeah. Samsung T7 SSD external hard drive. I took that wire off. It's made like this, but I took it off. But at first I was using another wire that was made like this, which is a C to USB wire. And that's what was causing the flicker. So this is what was causing the flicker. And I changed it. I got the one that actually went on the Samsung SSD T7 and it started working. So this is it working, and I'm gonna pause and I'm gonna hook up the old wire. This wire right here, which is the same kind of wire, but I'm not sure what it came off of. It was just a wire that I had around the house, and I used this to connect the ATEM Mini. So your wires are very important. So I'm gonna disconnect it. Let's see. And I also use the C to C to go directly into my iMac, well, my computer. So let's see. So I'm gonna hook this one back up, hooking it back up. Let's see if I can find the input. Yeah, there it is. So hook the C back up. And then I'm gonna take the wire and connect it. I actually have this, and I'm going in right here into a USB 3.0. So let's see, connect it into that. Okay. Then I'm going back to the mixer of the software for the ATEM Mini. Click on that, and I'm going to refresh it basically. Let's see, I think I have to go to FaceTime. And I really don't want to be seen right now. So let's see, I'm just gonna dial down like this. Go to FaceTime for a second. Just get a picture up. Then go back to the Black Magic. Okay. So now the Black Magic is up and it's flickering. See, that's the flicker, and that was coming from that C to USB wire. Let me see. Then I'm gonna switch it. See, bad flickers. Again, ATEM Mini. It's going through here. And I hooked it up directly to it, still did the same thing. It was flickering. So what I'm getting ready to do, I'm gonna actually unplug it. So I'm gonna unplug this USB to C wire. Unplug this one. And I'm gonna plug in the one, like I said, that I took off from the Samsung portable SSD T7. So I'm gonna plug this in. Oops, wait, let me see. Let me plug it into the Mini. Plug that in. And then I'm gonna plug this back into the 3.0. If I can get it. Yeah, and I'm just hoping that this helps someone because it took me a while to get it going. Plug that in. Okay, so now I'm going to come back here. Go back to the ATM. And basically, I'm just going to reset it. FaceTime just to get off of that. And I'm coming back to Blackmagic. It's back up. Look at it, no flickering. So I'm gonna press OK. Okay. Then I'm gonna switch. Mix with the Blackmagic. Hitting auto. Going back to my other picture. Now this one right here, you can really see the flickers when it was flickering. So I'll let it sit a while. Just to show you that it's not getting any flickers at all. And I have a real long wire, like a 50-foot wire going from one Blackmagic camera is in another room. In this room right here, you see the computer that's showing right there. In my editing suite, it's a 50-foot wire going from a Blackmagic camera all the way in here to the mixer. And then I have another camera that's right here that's set up. And this is a Blackmagic camera, type of cameras that I'm using. So yeah, no flickers. So far, no flickers. I was about to send it back to Blackmagic or where I bought it from, but it seemed like it's working now. So I hope this helped someone.